Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's July the 16th, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Solana today and trying to figure out where price is going to go now in this current bull run that the price has been on in Solana. So welcome to the channel, everyone. Let's get right on into it. You guys can see I did a price prediction originally in Solana on June 30th, 2023. I did update for Solana on July the 6th. You guys can tell I didn't change my price prediction. You guys can actually tell that we anticipated that the market move in Solana was still bullish. Congratulations to those who was able to get that 18.24% out the market, which occurred there on July the 8th. Or let's say you're still into the position now, you wanted to get out your position today, you're up 52%. Congratulations. Now let's talk about the market price action in Solana real quick. One thing I wanted to show you as I zoom out is price in Solana now breaking this downtrend line. We was tracking the market ever so slightly as price in Solana was unable to break outside of this downtrend line until recently, right there on July the 13th. So that's a fantastic transition to occur on the chart. So we got to recognize that. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that downtrend line and now transpose it to where the trend in Solana currently is now. Okay. So guess what? As long as Solana trades above that line, we will forever see price go higher. You do understand that, right? Like, that's how simple this game should be. Now, one thing that I do see is a kind of a concern is the market price breaking away from that trend. That cannot be sustained. Okay, so I'm just trying to preference your mentality into understanding that yes, the market currently is running berserk, it's going crazy, but that's not going to be long-lived. So you need to expect some point in time that the price in Solana is going to correct this trend line right here and begin to go lower. Now, I do like what's been going on thus far in terms of price action, because these 2 days right here, I'm going to zoom in on the chart so you guys can see what's going on. We saw a lot of selling right there on the 14th of July, and it also was in the next day, July the 15th, where we actually saw some indicators of weakness being created on the chart. One thing though is how price in Solana is still bullish. Like, look at where the price is. There's so much interest in Solana right now that price in Solana is not even crashing, that it's still not going down. There's so much buying going on that the market currently is up 2.95% off of the 2 prior days of selling. Why would that be the case if the market really wasn't amped to see price go higher? Exactly, because they are. They're looking for the market in Solana to continue to be bullish. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Take a look on the 3-day, 5, weekly. Okay, so let's zoom out and look at this on the weekly chart, because I think you guys can tell at the high of this weekly price bar here that this is the location that the market in Solana is finding problems. Now, it's very good. Well, I'll tell you this. It would be great if we were able to see Solana keep its price above this level. It would be great. We are knocking on that door now. Okay, the market currently is a little bit higher than $27.25. It's at $28.23. But it's going to be important for the market in Solana to close on this weekly price bar above that line. Now, what would it mean if it does close above that line? It tells us that the overall market is comfortable like they were back here in July, September 2022, June 2022. They were comfortable in buying Solana then. So once we see the market trade above that line, we need to see it hold. We need to see it close. We need to see price stay above that line, because it will also tell us that the overall market is being comfortable with trading and buying Solana above $27. Okay, keep that in mind. Here's Solana on the 2-weekly chart. We have 8 hours and 27 minutes left, and again, with the high volume and where price currently is closing off of this 2-weekly price bar, we have to recognize that there's selling coming in. We have to, which is why I wanted to identify where price needs to hold. Okay, so I'm just giving you all a heads up that is where market buyers needs to hold price in Solana. Okay, so real quick, let's do this on hourly chart. I think you guys can tell as price in Solana did fall, buyers stepped in, and now they've been supporting price. So currently The buyers are holding the market in Solana, but it's not traumatic. It's not big. Okay. So let me go ahead and look at this on a different hourly chart. Okay, let me see this. Okay, so how do you think you should play this? What is your thinking process into the market in Solana right now? Should we wait to get more confirmation that price is going to hold right there around $28 or 27 bucks? Should we wait? Or do you think price is going to continue to shoot up towards 35 and 40? What do you think? Because in order for us to really see price in Solana run up to 35 and 40 bucks, market first has to confirm that it wants to buy at 27. And if the market doesn't confirm that, then there's no way price is going to run to 35 bucks to even $40. So I will give you this. I may even lower that $27 support to like here, like 26.60. Okay. You can see it already that so far those buyers are successful at keeping price up though. They're doing a great job at it right now. From yesterday and even today's trading, they confirmed that they're willing to prop up the price here. But then you come into another issue. And it was as to how we saw price in Solana completely break away from the other trend line. And I told you earlier that don't expect this to last. And when you expect that to occur for the market to not hold this trend line, the best option would be for us to next see the market hold that, trade this way. So in order for us, what I'm trying to get you all to see is that in order for us to really see Solana continue to run up to $35 and $40, yes, I'm not looking for this trend to sustain, to keep going this direction. The next thing will have to be for us to see the market trade and hold support from left to right. We cannot see the market, once it breaks this massive steep slope, we cannot see price come all the way back down to 24, 22, because that will kill a lot of people's perception as to Solana running up to $35, $40. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait. But yes, I will acknowledge that buyers currently are winning in the market in Solana, holding price at the support area 2650. It has to keep going though. And given that this process is currently beginning, I cannot drop a price prediction looking for the market to run at 35.40. I need to see the confirmation first, because it is massive run up recently into the market in Solana. It's telling us, well, it's telling me that we need to pause and see whether or not those buyers, if they're still there, because if they are, they'll show their hand. There's no need for us to jump and wish and worry. They'll tip their hand and let us know if they're still there. Like I told you earlier, they're already showing it 2 days, today and even yesterday's trading, by them holding price. But that's just not enough for me. I need to continue to see a little bit more. All right, so that's my thinking process right now in Solana. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, it is still bullish. There's still strength on the chart, but for the next move higher, we need to wait to get that $26 confirmation from the buyers. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.